Hi everyone, this is Miss Emmanuel coming to you the week of October the 12th, creating a video for our technology station that we will be focusing on graphing linear inequalities and their solution. When we graph it with two variables, the x and the y, we would graph a line. The line would either be dotted or solid. If we have an equal signs here, it's going to be solid. Okay? Solid with the equal sign, dotted without. Dotted mean it's not a part of your solution set. Solid mean it will satisfy this inequality, make it true. So with the inequality, we're either we're gonna shade on this side of the line or that side of the line. We're gonna shade on one of the sides. Okay? So how do we check that? What I tell my students, and I'm telling you, check substitute zero in. Substitute zero in to see if it make it true or false. If it make it true, this is the side of the line we would shade. If it make it false, then I know I'm going to shade on this side. Okay? So I'm going to substitute zero in. So I'm going to check 0, comma 0, the origin. I like using 0. So with y is less than or equals to 2x minus 5. So I would substitute in for my y 0. I'm going to say 0. Then I will put less than equals to 2 times 0 minus 5. I'm asking, is 0 less than or equals to, what's 2 times 0? 0. Minus 5. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Put the relation there, put the 0. So is 0 less than or equals to negative 5? Remember, 0 is greater than all negative number. So that's false. This is a false statement here. So it's false. Therefore, I don't shade on that side. I shade on this side of that line. Okay? So we're just going to shade that in. And I'm like, mechanical pencil sometimes it's not as good for this, for me at least, I should say. So I shaded it. It's real nice and pretty, guys. Let me stop shading this. But anyway, my solution lies on this side of the line because of that point did not satisfy this inequality. It did not make it true. So therefore, these are not solutions. It's going to be on this side of the line. Okay? So here it's an is to, before we go any further, let's use the calculator to check. Okay? And that's another thing I like to do. And for the next one, I'll probably just use the calculator mostly. So here we go. Let's go here and go to new document, enter. We're going to add a graph, enter. Since this is already in the y format, meaning f of x, that's the same thing, f of x and y is the same. Sorry, let me go ahead and there we go, sorry about that. So here, that's f of x, which is the same as y. And here you probably said this equals, we need less than or equals to, so we're going to delete. And you see our choices come up there, the relations come, it appears. So less than or equals to is the first one, I'm going to press enter. Then I'm going to enter in 2x, I'm going to say 2x minus 5. And I'm going to press enter. And look what happened. It graphs it for you. It shows you a solid line just as well. And it shades the region that should be shaded. So we got the correct region shaded. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is answer the response to these questions. Is 2, 3 a solution to the inequality? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plot that point. This is x, that's y. Go to the origin. I'm going to go to the right 2, 1, 2. I'm going to go up 3. Go up to 3. This right here. Is this in the shaded region? No, it's not. So therefore, no, it's not a solution. Why it's not a solution? Because it is not in the shaded region, nor is it on that solid line. I'm not going to write that. You write that. So pause the video and write that. 2, 3 is not a solution because it does not lie on the solid line, nor does it lie in the shaded region. Okay? Very well done. So here is 3, 0 a solution. So I'm going to go to the origin, go to 3, go 0. 0 means go nowhere. You stay right where you're at. Here. Is that a solution? Is it on the line or in the shaded region? Yes, it's a solution. It is a solution. 3, 0 is a solution because it lies in the shaded region of that linear inequality. Good. Okay. So here we go, going to the next one. Number 2. Number 2 is already solved for y. Y is already by itself. Hey, this is a negative slope. I know the slope is negative 1/2, so I already know that my line is going to decrease from left to right. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just substitute in the calculator. I'm just putting in the calculator. So I'm going to start over so you can see exactly how to do it in the calculator. So with the calculator, I'm going to go to New Document, press Enter. No, I don't want to save anything. Okay, I want to add a graph. So where it's the f of x, that's the same as y. So I don't want an equal sign, I want greater than sign. So I'm going to delete, and my options come up. Greater than is option 4, so I'm going to go down to 4. Press enter, and this changes to y greater than. So now I'm going to press the negative sign. I'm going to press 1, the division key, 2, the variable x, subtraction sign, 3, and press enter. Bam, it got it for us. It's like, hey. So I need to make sure. Now, if you look at this, now we already know that our y-intercept is -3, meaning 0, -3. So here, 0, -3. And if you look on here, you see it's going through 0, -3. Now the x-intercept, it looks like the x-intercept is on -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Let's see if we can go to the table and see. Oh, no, the function doesn't work for that, which is fine. So that's -6. So here my x-intercept is -6. So that's 0. So all you have to do is substitute 0 in. Well, we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to graph this. Okay, I'm about to tell you what to substitute in, but just use your calculator because you guys can see that point. You can see it's going through that -6 there on the axis there. So I use my x-intercept and my y-intercept. And wait, was that a dotted or solid? You notice that on the calculator? You see closely? You see it's like broken line? That's a broken line. That's a dotted line. You probably say, oh, we already knew it's a dotted because it doesn't have the equals. You're right. But the calculator tells you that just as well. Okay. So here we go. So let's go ahead and sketch this. So what I'm going to do here, and I'm just, So with me, what I do, I go ahead, I make the solid line. Then I get my eraser and just go through and do this. That's why I always do that. So now it's like a dotted line. It's like, or you may say a dash, same difference. Thank you very much. Anyway, I'm shading above that line. So I'm a shade above. And guys, I'm just going to do this quickly. So some of you may try to spend a lot of time shading it really nice and neat. If you got a number 2 pencil instead of mechanic, you probably can do it really fast. Okay, so there we go. Okay, you don't have to. Oh Lord, I really like for it to be neater than this, right? But I don't want to spend too much time doing that. So anyway, so you see the shaded region. You shade that in nice and neatly with your pencil. Okay, that's what happened to mechanical pencils. Anyway, now I'm going to check my solutions according to what they gave us. They said that for part A, it says 2 comma blank is a solution to the inequality. So everybody's answer could vary. It could be different. So all I have to do is go over here to 2, go start at the origin, go to 2 here on the x-axis. I can go up or down anywhere in the shaded region and choose a point for that have x value 2. I can come here, but if I go down here to -7, 2 and -7, it's not a solution. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to be on the safe side. I'm just put 2, 3. So I'm put 2, 3. You can put whatever you want to put as long as it's in the shaded region or above that. Okay? You just can't be in this area. Explain why the point is a solution. Explain 2, 3 is a solution because it is in the shaded region of the inequality. Bam. Part B. Given that y is 1,